steps to Roncesvalles Village and the lake. I'm Tracy Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group, and welcome to our new listing at 78 Harvard Avenue. This 3-story, 3-bedroom home features a recently renovated kitchen and bathroom. Let's go inside and take a look. When you first walk into this beautiful Victorian home, you notice the soaring ceilings, the hardwood floors, and the exposed brick. The hardwood floors and soaring ceilings continue into this living room, dining room, which also features a bright south-facing window. This combined living room, dining room features both north and south-facing windows, perfect for great light. This renovated kitchen is perfect for entertaining. It features a center island with seating for 4, heated floors, granite countertops, a glass subway backsplash, and it walks out to your low-maintenance backyard. This useful basement could be a great rec room space. It features a ton of storage, a 3-piece bathroom, and a huge laundry room. This bedroom at the rear of the home features a deep closet and overlooks the backyard. This renovated family bathroom features heated floors, a stylish vanity, a glass surround shower, and a bright window. This bright south-facing master bedroom at the front of the home features 2 bright windows, the hardwood floors, the exposed brick, 3 closets, and a ton of additional storage. The exposed brick continues all the way up to this 3rd floor loft, which features a closet, a fireplace, and both east and south facing windows. You know what's really great about this Roncesvalles Village location? We're steps to Queen Street, King Street, the TTC, High Park, the lake, and quick access to the downtown core. Thank you for joining us on our tour of 78 Harvard Avenue. If you would like any more information or you would like to arrange a private tour, please feel free to contact us.